This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking power. Use a USB-C PD adapter rated 20W or higher so fast charging works. Once done, unfold the Magsafe Duo and lay it flat on a stable surface. Plug the USB-C cable into the adapter, then into the wall. Then place your iPhone on the phone pad so the magnets snap and center the camera ring. Simultaneously lay the Apple Watch face down on its pad. This immediate alignment ensures correct magnetic coupling and initiates charging without delay. Once both devices are placed, check the iPhone's charging indicator and the watch's screen. If the phone shows no charging, rotate it a few degrees. Magnetic alignment matters. Make sure watch backplate contacts the puck without obstruction. A thin case is okay, but thick or magnetic cases can block connection. Also, consider enabling airplane mode or closing intensive apps to speed charging. Keep the pads free of dust and remove foreign accessories. This improves thermal transfer and prevents intermittent disconnects during the session. To complete charging, remove devices gently, fold the Magsafe Duo for storage, and unplug the adapter from the outlet. If charging fails, first swap the USB-C PD adapter or try another known good outlet to isolate power issues. Next, try a different USB-C cable. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and Apple Watch, ensure both run the latest software, and inspect the charger pads for lint or damage. One key troubleshooting tip: test the charger with a different iPhone or watch to determine if the accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.